Now the interesting portion will start. Yes, Avni, your move.
Sir, you are telling the team. You are telling.
No, it is Avni's move. There it is not your move. You are in black. You are playing for black pieces. It is white pieces. Move. Avni, Hartej, Anushka, Ishan. If Avni is not able to answer, then
Sir,
yes.
Bishop G5.
Bishop G5. Bishop G5 is a gross mistake because you are saying Bishop G5. Pawn will kill. It's cylinder.
Okay, sir.
I'd rather not.
Yeah. So, any move suggested by any member? Other member now?
काय ठरलं?
नाही अजून काय खेळेल नाही.
Sir, मी सांगू एक move.
Knight C3.
Sir, I have a chance.
C3. Yes, Ishan, you are in that Sri Kirtan's member team. Yes, you can.
Sir, white pawn to H3.
Yeah, this is a good move. Fantastic. So, Avni, you decide now. You got two moves suggestion. One is this and one is this. Knight to C3 and pawn to H3.
Sir, knight to C3.
Knight to C3. Okay, I will go with it. Fine. Black now. Hans.
So
Yes, Hans.
yeah, bishop takes knight.
Oh, good.
F3.
Nullifying. Nullifying. Fine, fine. It is good. It is, in fact, I understand there is a good way. Absolutely. But I think, you are making little haste. Don't you think? Little haste.
Once I think we should go for castling.
No.
Oh,
not that side.
I did not see that. Sorry, it was free. Castling,
Castling, which side? Naturally,
the
only
long one.
long side. Okay, okay. For both of your benefit or your team's benefit, now this move is much suggested, which is we call it as a breaking move. This move. Why?
Sir, I was going to say it, but
Yeah, why?
I
You know
prefer
that?
castling mode.
Yes. No. Right time is very important because you will be losing the opportunity to do this move. Why now? Because, see, if you do castling, you will do this, then you do this, so then this goes. Okay, direct pressure is there. Pressure is coming, and here now, without castling, there is no pressure. Now, if you do now here, we will go with castling. Huh? I am not going to alter the move, but I will show you here is a very small trap. Small trap of what? Winning this pawn. You can win this pawn. How? You can take this. You can take this. Wait, not now. 1 minute. Take this. Then this will take this. Because this queen is supporting this pawn. If queen comes over here, won't be any support for the pawn. Okay. Not yet, not yet. I am wrong. So your castling move is perfect. Your castling move is perfect. Yeah. There is time for that. It is white's turn. Hartej. Now black should attack from this end, complete. Free attack. And white should attack from this side. Remember, king is over here.
Sir, pawn h3.
Good. Because you cannot remain in the pin longer time. It is very bad. Don't keep
Another one move is also there.
Yes, yes.
This knight c3 can go to d5.
Absolutely good. Attacking queen. Fantastic.
Attacking the pawn as well as the queen.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Hitting
That is
a
also
pawn.
a good move. Good move. Very good move. Nobody is there to stop him.
Yeah.
So that is a good
Sir,
move.
how about pawn b4?
Pawn d4 is not at all suggested because this takes the pawn. Who will
No,
take
sir,
back?
b4, the one near the rook.
b4. b4 is good. b4 is good. This will go back. Because that attack will start from here. So that is also a good thing. So whose chance it was? Hartej, I think. So Hartej, please take the decision. You have so many suggestions. You can add your own also, no issues. You had
Sir, pawn b4.
Okay, you had this suggestion, you had this suggestion, and you had this suggestion. 3 suggestions were there. So you said pawn b4, fine. We'll go with it. Next. Whose chance it is? Arav or Hans or Dhairya? Dhairya, na, I think.
Kavin sang.
Kavin. After Kavin, then Dhairya. अगं तो नेमका शेवटी आहे ग विसरतोय पुढे मी लाईनीत जातोय आय एम गोइंग इन अ लाईन ना कविन येस बेटा
Sir, I have no idea.
see your bishop, you are losing your bishop, very important. Now you have to take the decision to give this bishop or not. What you will do to save it?
Horse b4. No, then that will kill it.
No, but there is a support from pawn and knight.
Yes, but if I use horse, then the horse will die.
Hmm.
The knight.
Okay, so what do you want exactly?
Sir, I think I will give the horse.
You will
Means horse b4.
horse b4. That means you will kill pawn. Then pawn takes pawn. Then this takes pawn. Okay, you get 2 pawns. Tejas, what do you think?
It's
Sir,
just a
I'd
suggestion. I'm not sure.
Sir, I'd rather play safe and take bishop to b6.
Okay. Okay. See, 2 pawns against 3 points is also not good. Sorry, not bad. It is a risk. But with that risk, you are, see Kevin, try to understand. This risk is good. I would have also taken this risk, no issues. But now problem is that your king is in this line, this side. And you are opening up both the files for the attack. Which white wants. White don't want his pawns over here. So you are playing for white's purpose, taking away his pawn, giving 1 point and giving all open files for attack. So that is why it is not suggested. If your king would have been over this side, this would be okay. You understood? Kavin? Kavin?
Yes.
Yeah. So which other move you would do? Your captain said this is what he thinks. You can do over here also. You have 2 options. In fact, you have 2 options only. Third option is you take this for a temporary, so that immediately this cannot be killed. Somebody has to kill this, and then you can come over here.
Sir,
Yes, Bull.
sir, I think D4 is safer.
D4 is safer. Fine. Good. It's a good move. Absolutely. Nobody is touching over there. Okay, white to play. Anushka.
Third. Third.
Yes, but
I choose the B1 because to protect the pawn. Rook, sir, rook to B1.
to B1. That's very good and sensible move. Very sensible. See, what she has done is that this is in problem now. Pin. If you move your knight, you lose your rook. You get the bishop, but that is again 3 points versus 5 points. So 2 points ka loss. So always and always don't keep your pieces under the pin. That is our chess maxim. Don't keep it. So moving it over here is a good option. And what you are getting further is you can move this. With the support of this, you can move ahead. That's very good. I think one of the best move ever played. Good. There was an option. Wait, everybody. The option is this.
Yes, I wanted that.
What will black do?
Sir, queen to d7.
Queen to d7. Okay. Then this will come. Then this has to go back. Forced. And then this will come. Now this is a trap. So you have to do this. Otherwise this will go. Then this will come. Now there is a clear attack. So this has to be here. Then this will come. Then this will go over here. And then very clearly problems will start. Attacks. So many attacks. You understand this, everybody?
Yeah.
So there was a chance. So anyway, she chose this. Fine, continue. Whose chance it is? Dhairya. Anushka, you understand well, huh? But good that. Dhairya, yes, Dhairya.
Sir, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, F6 to F5.
Wow. Fantastic. This is what I was calling breaking move. Somewhere you have to break the ice. So all the time you will find D5 or from black side also D4, D5. These moves usually are termed as breaking moves because it breaks the center and opens up. Here in this particular position, this could be a breaking move because it is directly attacking E4. So if E4 pawn comes over here, you have this opening. afterwards, of course.
And so
And,
then bishop
and then you
horse
can take with
also
this,
kill
you
it.
can take with this. So you have got a better option. And then this file is open. And if this pawn doesn't take, then you can take, and still this file is open. So this is a beautiful move. Was expected and fantastic. There you are good. Like that move.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Ishan. Anushka over ना ईशान. नम्रता पाणी दे का मला?
Sir, white knight to d5.
Okay. So everybody, Shri Kirtan, Captain, Manisha, everybody agreeing to this?
Yeah, fine. Fine.
I think we should handle from there only. But I had another move.
Yes. Which one?
Sir, knight to b5. I had another move. Knight to b5.
Knight to G5. Anybody else? Because you are all together missing out something.
Yeah, the pawn will take the pawn.
But bishop is there and the horse also.
Think.
Yes.
If you can't understand that move, I will go with this move and then I will tell you.
Sir, I can.
Yes, Ishan?
Sir, I got it.
Yes.
Sir, bishop to knight.
Sir, bishop to g5.
Bishop to g5.
Bishop to
Perfect.
g5, sir. Bishop to
Perfect.
g5.
Perfect. Absolutely. But here, when bishop to g5, this knight will be in trouble. Knight don't have any support. So still you want to go?
Yes, sir.
The best move. Like to play? It is again. I will start from downside, Tejas. Now, reverse. Kevin first. Kevin first. Come on.
Sir, I think queen to g5.
5.
Yes, sir. Otherwise, it will kill that rook.
Queen to
g5, sir. They said.
Yes, sir, it is correct.
yeah, it is. It is. I am thinking of alternative move.
Otherwise, queen will go aside, then rook can go. It will be problem.
Many combinations are there. Take your time. There are many combinations here. This is the breaking move. As I said, it is a breaking move. This pawn movement was a breaking move. It has developed to many different scenarios now.
Yes, sir. Horse can go to the. So that that horse can go to f7. That h6 horse.
To where? F7.
Yes, sir.
This is, you are losing this. here, now this is a really good move. All of you team members, you write down your own move in your own notebook only. Don't change. You are not allowed to change the move. You think and you write down. And then I will consider all 5 moves, 6 moves, and I will choose one best out of it. All of you,
Which move to be written?
without discussion. All black,
Which move?
black. It is black display, no?
Achha.
I got it.
Everybody will write the move from black side, and white, please think what white is going to play and what will be your reply, because next move every team member from white side has to write their move. Now these are very important decisive moves, so you have to calculate hard. I will guide you here. You have to first count how many points you are getting and how many points you are losing, point wise, step by step. And after 3 moves or 4 moves, whether your side is better or the other side is better, so that will decide your first move is correct or not. Or you can go for the alternative move. Again, you weigh up the sides. Now here there is a very clear understanding points. You should get more points. Lot of exchanges are going to take place.
Sir, what is bishop points?
3. Bishop knight 3. Pawn 1. Rook 5. Queen 10. Now you do it.
ब्लॅकचे मूव खेळून झालाय का?
नाही ब्लॅकला खेळायचे ना. तेच तर ते सगळेजण लिहित आहेत.
Sir, it's already 5:30.
Oh, okay. So, anybody wants to go? Any other
No,
class?
sir.
Okay, sir, we will
No, sir, no
continue
need
for
for
5 more
that.
minutes. We will do see this move. Everybody has written. Let us hear. Tejas.
Sir, I have 2 moves. actually.
Yeah.
One is queen takes g5 and other
Yes.
is bishop takes f3.
So which one you will move? Then see.
I think I will go for queen takes b5, g5 as of now.
Okay.
Queen
Okay. Kanushka.
Sir, the g5 move.
G5 move. Okay. Arav.
Sir, g5.
Okay. Hans.
Sir, I would prefer the f3 move because g5 is not a fair exchange.
Okay. Dhairya.
Sir, I have 2 moves.
Yes. Please tell me.
Sir, that bishop to e3
Hmm?
first, and in second move that g4 bishop to that will kill horse. f3 on second move.
First move you said bishop to what? E3.
Bishop to E3.
Sir, that d4 bishop to e4 e3.
Okay. Kavin. Kavin. Yes, Kavin. Yes, Kavin.
So
Yes, go ahead.
sir, I don't.
Hmm? Don't worry, beta. Whichever move you feel, don't worry. You can tell me. There is nothing like here. There are many permutations and combinations, so it is okay. But you try to tell me your move. Let me understand what you are thinking. Yes, Kavin.
Sir, I don't know.
Don't know.
I'm
Fine.
scared that it will be something wrong.
No fear of this. Everybody does wrong moves. Everybody. See, all those people, they have suggested one move or two move. They could be wrong, all wrong moves. No? Who said they are right? You did not have fear for that. In fact, I would say all are wrong. Everybody is wrong over here. Good.
King to D.
You can kill
King
bishop
to D7.
D7, queen to D7. Wow, that is also good move. No? You are,
King.
huh? Queen to
King
D,
to D.
queen to D7. No? Queen to D7. No? Yeah, that is a good move. Who said that is a bad move? Not at all. कभी इतना नहीं कर टेंशन नहीं लेना है. Come on. So everybody has said that. I will explain one by one. Among your moves, all moves, I feel Hans' move is better. Look what happens. You take this. Everybody says this. Okay. Then this takes equal. Then this takes. Then this takes. It is equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces against 4 pieces. You understood?
But from here the knight has a chance to fork us.
How? This is protector. The only chance is this. Only chance is this knight over here afterwards. Fork. So this will go over here and you get this. This is the only chance. That's all. But again, it is.
And you can take the
Yeah.
bishop also.
Yeah. Can take bishop, but bishop is supported.
Yeah.
Bishop is supported. So what you are saying is that now it is now black's turn, no? Because white has done this. It is black's turn, no? So black will do this. Then white does this. Then this will be over here. That's all. No fork. This comes over here again. This will be over here. Nothing is. You are not losing anything. Or even not here. It will be here. So this has to go over here, and this will be in a trouble then. This goes. This goes. This comes over here. Double attack. So you get knight. Knight is protected. Again you get bishop. So एक रूक देके आपको एक bishop मिल रहे हैं. 2 pieces मिल रहे हैं. So here we are stopping. We will continue with our move. Okay. What move was that? This and this. I am saving this position. It is black to move. And next time we meet, we will be playing that move. Okay. So white already knows that what black is going to play. This. There is other combination also. So black should think about this. मैं सब लोग इसका photo ले लो, so you can study it well. Everybody, take the photo. Or I will send the photo. Don't worry. I will send the photo. Don't worry.
Daddy, send the photo.
Okay.
I don't have my phone now.
No, don't worry. I will send the photo. Don't worry. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.